Welcome to another GP hosting tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you how to install all the necessary updates on your Ubuntu server. In this example, we'll be using Ubuntu 18.04. To start the update process, you need to log into your box. So in my case, I'll log into my demo account and I'll provide my password. I am now logged into my VPS. As you can see, there's quite a bit of updates that needs to be installed. So let's do this. So to get started with the update process, we need to type in sudo apt-get upgrade. We need to provide the password for our user account. And we'll show you a list of files or a list of applications that needs to be updated. If you accept the update process, you just press Y and hit enter. And now the update should begin. And you can just sit back and let the magic happen. And that's it. You have successfully installed all the updates.